Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this one here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a great move. From where it closed here to where it was, yesterday, I think everybody would agree, yeah, this here was a very, very nice move. But that does lead to the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is right here at $7.75. So why is $7.75 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $7.75. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, the price separates to the downside. What is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Whoops. Nothing like the marker screwing up right when I'm trying to do my fancy annotation. So again, like I said, you don't want to see the price going back inside of this range right there. Whereas let's say the price pulls back. Not saying it'll happen, but let's say that a pretty drastic pullback happens. It comes all the way down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. So even after a drastic pullback like that, what would you have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right there. Previous set of lows would be down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, the price is still making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this case, I'm just defining and quantifying the statement make progress as 775. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next key battlegrounds at? I'm not sure if the price broke above here or not. Let's see. Temporarily did, but couldn't maintain it. So 825, that current level of resistance, you can see right here, price congestion, and then the price rejected. Temporarily got above it, but price couldn't maintain above it, and once again struggling with it. So 825, that initial area, short-term level of resistance, but if the price can push through there, the next key overall area of resistance up right around $8.65. So no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now things transition over to the question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.